Power Scrub is our roughest, toughest cleaning cloth yet for your stickiest, gunkiest, greasiest messes. One side is smooth to polish and absorb, and the other side has teeth to scour and scrub. The scrubbing side is textured to scour through dried on, baked on, or caked on grease and grime on hands, tools, and surfaces. Follow up with the smooth side to wipe the gunk away. Our cloths are supersized at a whopping 15 by 10 inches, which provides as much as 4 times the cleaning power of an ordinary wipe. These cloths also have an extra tough cleaning formulation to power through greasy messes. The Power Scrub cloth is ideal for a variety of applications, from factory, fabrication, to contractors and mechanics. When you need extra scrubbing power, grab a Power Scrub wipe to scrub away and then polish clean any challenging mess.